Alright everyone, I've already started the process, but I can explain it where it's very simple. What you're going to need to do is buy some, actually I'll show you, but it's something anybody should do for preventative maintenance, and apparently it works really good when your injectors are about to go out. But let me show you what you need. Start off, you'll need 3 to 4 foot of hose and 2 clamps. I bought a 4-pack because it was only 65 cents before. And these are, there's the size, but this is what you'll need. Parts number is, if I can get that to adjust, X66P AC Delco upper engine and fuel injector cleaner. Now you'll need some fuel line disconnectors, whatever the actual name is for them. And pretty much what you do this has been running for close to hour and a half, hour and 45 minutes, I'd say. But what you do, I'll get up closer about that time. You disconnect both your fuel lines, 1/2 inch and 3/8, and then you run them up, connect your hoses, put the clamps on them, run them up into your clear bottle. Whenever I went filled up, I bought some deep windshield wiper cleaner because I got out, poured it in there. Then filled it up with about 1/2 of a gallon of diesel fuel, and then you put the whole, I think that's 15 ounces, yeah, 16 ounces, whatever, in there. Run both your lines down to where they're at the very bottom of the corner, and add just a little bit of an angle to it. Then what you need to do after that is take your screwdriver, I got one right there. Walk over here. That screw, you loosen it. Push down on your primer right here. So you got fuel coming out, so you won't be running dry for a second. And then you can start the engine up. You just let it run so it's almost done. You don't run it completely out. As you can see, I'm getting close. So I'm going to show you the lines. And what I did right there, those 2 white things are the caps off of the bottle, just so while it's running the fly don't get in there or something, I don't know. Right here, right here is the 3/8 line, right here's your 1/2 inch. What you need to do is disconnect the lines, put them back, and then put your new lines there,